This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, very good morning to all. In last session, we started discussing about array methods and this is not completed yet. So let us complete the array methods. It may take today and tomorrow also for completing the array methods, right? So yesterday we seen some methods like push, pop, shift, unshift, toString join and slice methods. These are the methods we see. Now we have another method called concat method. What is the method? Concat, C-O-N-C-A-T, concat. By using this method, we can concatenate two or more arrays. I have an array like this where a1 equal to, I'm going to take an array like this. Okay, these are the array with having three values. Where a2 equal to, I'm having another array 100, 200, 300, 400, something like this. I want to mix these two arrays together, or else I want to join these two arrays together. So here we can use concatenation. If you have third array, yeah, we can take this also, no problem. So here I'm going to take A, let us take something called B, I'm taking something called C, something like this also we can take. So it is concatenate method is not only for one array. By using this method, we can concatenate more than two arrays. Just see, if we are joining two arrays, again we will get an array. The resulted array we will get. For example, you are combining two arrays. After combining two arrays, you will get the again a fresh array. Fresh array in the sense the first array values, second array values we can see in one array. So now you can see where mixed array equal to, I'm taking something like this. Here a1 dot concat of a2. So we can write like this exactly. Or else you want to write a2 of a1, anyone you can write it, you can write it, guys. Now if we can concatenate console.log mix, now I'm just printing this, can we see the output of the program will be something like this. Now you can check this in the console by pressing F12. We can see the array is having 7 elements, a1 having 4, sorry, a1 having 3 elements, a2 having 4 elements. Can you see 10, 20, 30 and 100, 200, 300, 400. No, sir, I don't want to go like this. You want to join A2 concatenate A1? Yeah, we can do like this also, no problem. Refresh the page. Now, 100, 200, 400 is first. After that, 10, 20, 30, 40 second. If you want, you can take comma separated A3 also. Yes, it is not only for concatenating two arrays. We can concatenate more than two arrays. Just refresh the page. Now you can see A, B, C, D is also in the array. By using this method, we can concatenate more than two arrays. So I think we heard the word concatenation in a string. How can we concatenate a string and a variable? That is a different story. We see in early sessions, I believe. Here also, while iterating the data also, we seen the concatenation. This is the concatenation, right? Txt plus is equal to plus equal to. This is a string concatenation. This is an array concatenation. Simply says, guys, I want to merge or I want to combine two or more arrays. If you can combine two or more arrays, again you are going to get an array. That is what exactly I'm looking for here. So this is the thing exactly we are having. Okay, so these are the some methods we are having. So all these methods, what they are doing, they're helping us to do our job simply, right? So guys, the next thing is going to be sorting methods. What is the sorting here? We just want to check this, guys. Generally, I sent a request to server. I got lot of records, right? I got lot of records. From this lot of records, I want to sort the records either in ascending order, either in descending order. How can we do this? How can we sort array values in ascending order or descending order? Okay, right. For example, I have subjects like this. So this is the subject. Okay, now subjects HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JSON, Ajax, React, all the thing. I want to sort these subjects in ascending order. Ascending order in the sense A, B, C, D. Descending order in the sense Z, Y, X, something like this. It will come here, right? So here, I just want to sort them in ascending order. To do this, I'm going to use a method called sort method. What is the method here? We have a method with the name sort. By using this method, we can sort array values in ascending order. Ascending order. Now, if you can go with the subjects dot sort, now what happened? The array values will be sorted in ascending order. After sorting the array, I'm printing it console.log of subjects. First of all, I don't want to sort it. So let me print this. If you can print this, you will get the original array. This is the actual array we created: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JSON, Ajax, Angular, React, Vue. Now, let me apply the method sort before printing this. Now you can see this is the actual array. Let us assume this may be come from database or somewhere. Here we are sorting the array either in ascending order. Yes, this is ascending order only. So after sorting the array, I'm printing this. Now this is the output earlier. Now I'm refreshing the page. If you can refresh, can you see all the values are getting sorted? A, after that C, after H, J, React, and a Vue. So this you can see the array values are sorted in ascending order. This is what exactly the sorting of an array. Generally, this is one of the very important scenario, guys. It is required for us while we are doing something in the real time. So definitely we need to sort array values, definitely while printing them, while displaying them. In this point of time, the sort method we can use. Okay, now we see the array values in ascending order. Now I want to display the values in descending order. How can we display the values in descending order? Is there any method for it? Okay, actually there is no method actually for it. Let me show you one small scenario for it here. So now can we see I'm not sorting anything. I'm just printing the subjects. Okay, I'm just printing the subjects array, right? Can we go and check this? What is my output of the program? This is actual the array. Okay, now this is the actual array, guys. I think you can see what is the actual array we are having. HTML, CSS, something. There is a method called subjects.reverse. REVERSE. Reverse is a method. Reverse in the sense it doesn't display the values in descending order. Reverse in the sense Vue, Angular, React, it will become like this. Now you can check this. Now you can see the values are reversed. Remember carefully, the values are not in descending order. The values just reversed from the array. Right to left earlier, sorry, earlier is left to right, but now the values are right to left was printed on the screen. Okay, this is not descending order, right? But how can we make them? But in this point of time, we have to use both method combination, guys. Here now you have to use the subjects dot sort. Now what subjects dot sort method will do? It will sort the array values in it will sort the array values in descending order. Now can we see all the values are sorted in descending order? Now you can reverse this. After sorting this, now I'm going to reverse my array. First sort in ascending order. The sorted array is going to be reversed by using reverse. Now you can see this is the descending order. So here we have to use both the methods combination, guys. Here it's very important. We don't have any separate method for sorting the values in descending order. We have the combination of sort method and reverse method. Then the values are displayed by using the values are displayed in descending order, DESC. So otherwise that is won't work automatically, guys, right? Okay, so this is one thing. Now it's a very important thing. I just want to go, I want to sort. Now you sorted string values. Okay, this is well and good. A B C D X Y Z. Okay, all done. Now I just want to sort numbers where some numbers, whatever it may be, equal to, I'm taking like this, guys, 10, some value 45, 123. You can take any random values here, no problem. 300, 200, 243, 453, something like this I taken, guys. Can we see this is my array? You taken some random values. You don't need to take all the same values here. It's not at all required. Yeah, we taken an array like this. Now you have to tell me what is ascending order. 10, after that 45, after that 123, after that 134, after that 200, 243, 300 and 453. This is the order, ascending order. Reverse order in the sense 453, 243, 300 will come like this. We know that that is the reverse order. Now can we see, all of you try to observe this carefully. So I applied sort method here. This works properly. Now I'm going to apply numbers dot sort. You can take any variable there, numbers dot sort. Yeah, I'm just sorting the numbers. After sorting the numbers, you can go console dot log of numbers. I'm just printing the numbers. Or else do one thing. You no need to print them. Just you can refresh the page. Now you can see the values will be 10, 34, 45, 123, something like this. This is the actual array. Now I'm sorting this. Now can we see the problem? Array will be sorted. The problem is very big, I believe you have to observe. Do you observe any problem here? So there is a very big problem. I hope that, right? So can we see what is the problem here? All ones, 10, 123, 134 in one situation, 200 and 243 is in one situation, 300, okay, 45. Why 45 is coming here? 45 should become after 10, right? This is the problem. Now you can check this. I'm just going to take it as a 2. I'm going to take 2 comma 45. Now you can check this. If you can take 2 comma 45, actually 2 should become first now. Why this is C? Here it is following some structure. All ones first, after that all twos, all threes, all fours, something like this. The numbers which started with 1, the number which started with the 2, the number which started with 3 and 4, something like this is printing the values. I don't want to make something like this. Then, so this is the good thing? Definitely not, guys. Here this is not the solution we're expecting. Then how can we sort the array? Here for numbers it is not working, for characters it is working. Numeric sort. Remember, by default the sort function sort the values as a strings. The sort method is considering all the values as a strings. That's why the output is coming like this. So but it is not the correct thing, right? We have to sort the numbers in a proper manner. To do this, for giving you a very good result here, this arrays is giving a concept called compare function. What is this called? Compare function in the sort method as a parameter. Compare function as a parameter to sort method. Let me show you how we can apply this sort method either in ascending order, either in descending order you want to do. Now you can see this is the number sort. To this we have to pass a function. This is called a function with the two parameters. You can take any parameters x comma y, a comma b, or anything you can take it, no problem. So this is what exactly inside of it we can write return x minus y or x plus y. If you can write x plus y, then what is going to be happen? The array values will be sorted. Earlier you can see we didn't see the output properly. Now you can refresh the page. Now you can see the values are sorted. I think values are didn't sorted. After sorting this, it is going to give me a new array. I'm getting the actual array. Let me take where x is equal to, let me print this x. I just check it. So this is not sorted. Anything wrong? One minute. I need to take x minus y. Yeah. Let me check this. So 210 45. Yeah, guys, this is sorted now. You can check this. I think it is not x plus y. You have to go like this only. You have to use minus operator here. I think this is the predefined. So the compare function, it's a, we have to pass to this sort function as a callback function. I mean, what is the meaning of callback function? When we are calling the sort function will call another function. So as a parameter we pass it, right, x minus y. So this is how exactly the things will be works for us. Okay, for example, these numbers are sorted now. If you want to sort the numbers in descending order, then you can take y minus x, I will y minus x. If you can take y minus x, now you can see numbers are sorted in descending order. Nothing. Remember, what is this y? You can take a comma b, no problem. You can take any two values, you can take here, no problem. B minus a I can take, right? Any two values you can take it. Remember what this compare function will do. This compare function will compare each and every value of the array. First 10 is going to be compared with each and every value. 134 is going to be compared with each and every value. 4 5 is going to be compared with each and every value. This is what exactly the compare function will do, and it will generate a new array based on the value. This is what exactly, we don't have any direct method in arrays, guys, to sort the array values. This is very important thing. Definitely you should use compare function here. So the compare function, without that we can't do anything exactly. So this is what exactly the compare function. So for example, if you want to go and if you want to sort an array in random order, there is also a question, how can we shuffle the values of the array, or how can we sort the array values into random manner? If you can see the same, this is also the compare function, we can take it. So if you just want to go and to sort them into random manner, now you can check this. This is going to be written, you can take, I'm taking something called 0.5 minus math dot random. We can take math dot random is a predefined one, guys, here. random, random is a predefined one. I will talk about this math object later, then you will understand. This is the mechanism. So now you can check this. If you can refresh the page, all the values are shuffling together, right? So in interview they will ask us, how can we shuffle the array values? How can we shuffle the array values? This is also one situation, guys, here. By using sort function with a compare combination, we are going to write something like this, a statement. You can take, for example, if I take one here, what is going to be happen? Values are sorting, values are not sorting. Can you see? I'm taking 0.2, values will be sorted, values are sorted. Now you cannot take more than that value, guys, here. You can take 0.5, 0.9 can I take? If you can take, values are sorted, values are not sorted. I think it should be below something. 0.6 I am taking. So now values are sorting, right? 0.6, let me take 0.7, values are sorted, fine. Now I'm taking 0.8. Now refreshing the page, values are getting sorted. Yes, sorted. I think 0.5 is the best place, best situation to sort all the positions properly. We can use this thing, guys. Exactly right. So this is sorting an array in C, especially if it is a numerical values only. This we can use, guys. Otherwise, we don't want to use it, just for numerical values only. So if it is a string, that will work automatically. We don't want to do anything. Sort functions will work automatically. When we are working with numbers, the sort function will do this job. It's very important thing. The sort function, with the compare function, we have to use the combination. Yes. So this is what exactly the thing. And in some situation, they will ask us also, find the highest number in the array, find the lowest number in the array. What is the highest number in the array? 453. What is the lowest number in the array? 2. How can we find the min number? How can we find the max number from an array? People will also ask us like this. How can we shuffle the array? How can we sort the values in descending order, numbers in descending order? How can we sort the numbers in ascending order? So this type of questions they will ask us in interview. They will never ask us what is sort method. Everybody knows sort method will sort the values, but they will ask you in a different manner like this. So it's very important thing to answer, guys, right? Now you can see, I want to find the highest value from an array. How can we find the highest value from an array? Nothing. We can take the same. This is the highest value, ascending order. Now this is going to be print the values in ascending order, right? Now just refresh the page. Now values are sorted in ascending order. What is the last value? 453. That is the 450 is the highest value, right? So how can we find the last element of an array? Simple thing, guys, here. This is going to be print the whole array. So if you can write here x dot length, total number of elements you will get. If you can write total number of elements minus 1, you will get the last index. What is the last index of the array? This is the last index of the array. Now if you want to get this console.log, just I want to get the, this is what exactly how to write total number of elements minus 1. If you can write this, you will get the highest value of the array. So if you want to get the lowest value from the array, simply x of 0, we don't want to write anything, x of 0, if we can write it, now you can check this, that is the lowest value, that is the highest value. In interview, these are the some common questions guys where people will ask us, but remember, shuffling an array, this is very important scenario. Shuffling an array is very important thing, and just keep this in mind. Okay, right. So this is the way of sorting array values, either in ascending order, either in descending order. Exactly guys. 1 minute. So these are the sorting methods guys here. Right, now we have to find an element. So in multi-dimensional array, we can do anything. In the multi-dimensional array, if you have to find each and every array and you have to sort the array. There is no other way. For example, you have an array like this. You have to go to internal and you have to find the array and you have to sort it. You have to find the array and you have to sort it. Generally, if it is a multi-dimensional array, we have to write a loop there. There is no other way. Okay. For example, you can take some array where some list. Okay, I'm taking some list here, or else what shall we take here? But here also I have one doubt guys, 1 minute, I will go for that also. If I have these subjects, can I use compare function for this subject? That's my question. Right, let me check this. I just want to use subjects with compare function, where sub equal to subjects dot sort callback function with the two parameters a comma b. Written, it should have written a minus b console.log of sub. Can we get this for string values? I'm getting HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JSON, Ajax. I think this is not sorted, right? Yeah, this is not sorted at all. Maybe if it is a number, this will be sorted. For example, I'm not passing any compare function to this. I think this is sorted now. Yeah, this is sorted. I think we cannot apply this for numbers. We cannot apply this for compare function is not suitable for string values. Compare function is only for numbers. But one thing, when you are using multi-dimensional array, the array should have only string values or only numbers. There is no other thing guys here. So name, age, address, salary are columns. Need to sort on salary and then on age. Yeah, definitely we can sort them because they are numbers, right? Definitely we can sort them. But there we need to write a small algorithm for it. But right now it should be an array of objects and we have to apply some events on it, click events. So by clicking age column, it should increment or decrement, something like this. We have to implement it based on the salaries, right? Nothing much. So okay, that's correct. We can work on it as we asked Kiran. So definitely that is possible. We can work on it. But generally in this point of time, you will get arrays. If you have array of objects, you should sort the values. Actually, we are sorting array values. We are not sorting objects, right? So that too also we have to check it, right? Now you can check this. Everything is possible. Whatever you're expecting, that is possible. We can sort the person's information based on their age, based on their salary, that is and valid, right? I'm taking a variable array where mix is equal to, it's an array. This array contain again an array one. array 2, array 3, array 4, something like this. We have these arrays are there. You can take some values are there, 2, 1, 5, 3, something like this I taken. Actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is the order. Now I'm taking this as a 500 and 200. This is one order for me. You can take some values 40, 30, 20 and 10. We know what is the order should be here. Now you can take some values like this. Okay, I taken the values like this. Okay, right. Now how can we sort these values? First array should be 1, 2, 3, 6. Second is going to be 200 and 500. The third one is going to be 10, 20, 30, 40. And the fifth one is going to be 23, 34, 54, 98. Then we have to write a loop inside a loop, right? Already this is an array. This array contains first value, second value, third value, fourth value. There are 4 values are there in this array, 0, and this is 1, this is 2. These are the indexes. Again, every array contains 0 of 0, 0 of 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, something like this now. So they are having indexes. So in this point of time, we have to write array inside an array. Array inside an array. We have to write it like this. Now you can check this. If you want to write for, first of all, where I equal to 0, I less than mix dot length, the total number of elements in the array, and I plus plus. Now if you can log this console dot log, now you can check this console dot log of mix of I. I'm writing mix of I. You will get each and every array. Now what are you going to get? Now I'm just refreshing the page. If you can refresh the page, you will get each and every array. Now you can see this is the first array, the second array, third array, and fourth array. But they displayed as it is. Actually, they are not displaying something. Now to them, you have to apply compare function here. Now you can check this. I'm going to be apply compare function where some x or anything you can take it, no problem. Mix of I, first array, second array, third array, dot sort. We have to pass function, and to this we can pass 2 parameters, a comma b, and this is going to have a return a minus b, right? That's all. It is going to be sorted. Now you can check this, each and every array will be sorted. Now console.log of x, you can check this. You can see each and every array will be sorted for you. Now refresh the page, all the array values are getting sorted. So this is the way we have tried. If the array is having array multi dimensions, and there is no other way, actually the same, we know how to sort an array, right? How to sort single array, but it is an array inside an array now, right? So we will write like this, each and every array will be sorted here. Exactly, this is what exactly we need to do like this, right? Sometimes you may have an array inside an array also. If you want to sort like this, yeah, we can write a loop, and each and every array, this is the mix of I, each and every array sort function I'm applying. So mix of I, mix 0 means first array will become, second loop mix 1, this will become, third loop mix 2, this will become, fourth loop mix 3 will become, fifth loop there is no fifth array na, so it will be terminated automatically from the things, guys. Exactly, this is what exactly the concept. Not only this, actually, you can take array of records, actually array of objects also. We can display them into table. For that, like this, where is this? Yeah, like this we can take them. So I will prepare a solution for this also, don't worry about it. Okay, right? So we can, by click the button, ascending button, array should be ascending. I mean, what I want to tell you, I will show you one small example. jQuery data table. See, this is, I think people generally will expect from us. Here you can see age is there. If I click the down button, age will be sorted. If I click the up button, age is going to be sorted, something like this, based on the name sorting. This is the name sorting. Actually, this is a plugin actually. So if we want to write seriously, definitely it will take a lot of time. We have to spend some time on it. So this is all sorting. So there is every column is going to be sorted here. So this is office and everything is going to be based on the date sorting and everything. And here they added pagination also, next page, next page, next page, something like this also. They implemented search also. Now I'm writing something called HEL, something like this. There is one record find it with the following thing like this. Right. Okay. This is a plugin actually. If you want to implement this type of functionality, generally what we will do, we will download the plugin, we will integrate the plugin with our application development. That's all. So we don't want to write the logics actually, seriously says, right? But if we want, yes, we can write the logics. It's not a problem at all. It's valid. We can write the same kind of logics as per our requirement. So this is what exactly the sorting. Okay. Now, finding an element in the array. So whether specific element is available in the array or not, how can we know? How do we know whether the specific element is available in an array or not? To do this, now you can check this. For example, I want to find the 45 is there in the array or not. There is a method called index of. Index of is a method. So by using this method index of, we can find whether the specific element is available in the array or not. Now you can see, I'm going to write numbers dot index of. You have to write like this, numbers dot index of. Index of 45 is there. Right now you can like this console dot log. If this is available, what is my output? If this is not available, what is my output? Now run the file. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so press F12 and check this. If that is available, and what is the output? Now you can check this in the console. I'm getting 3. Why are you getting 3? Now can we go and check this? Now this is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Index of 45. What is the index of 45? 45 is at a third index. That's why you're getting third there. Now you can take this as a 243. What is the index of 2? Sorry. So what is the index of 243 now? You can go there, you can check this 243 index. If it is found at a 7th index. For example, I'm adding a value called 500. Actually, 500 is not in the array. Is in the array? No, 500 is not in the array. Then it is going to give you -1. If you get -1, the element is not found in the array, right? If you get -1, the element is not found in the array. This is very, very important, right? Now you can see one more scenario. I'm having 2, I'm having 10, I'm having 2 again. How many times 2 is there? There are 3 times. Now you can check this. I'm writing 2. uh, when there may be a chance same element may appear in the array in multiple positions, then what is going to be happen? Now you can see I'm getting the second position only. Index of 2 is the second only we are getting. We are not getting 10 or 12, something like this. We are not getting this position. So if you want to get the last position, there is another method, guys. Here try to see, the method is going to be last index of is also a method. Last index of is a method. By using this method will find the first index, first occurrence only. This method will print the value which is available in the last occurrence, OCCU RANC, last occurrence. Now you can refresh the page. This is the first occurrence at second position, last occurrence at 11th position. This is at 11th position. But how can we find the middle position? This is also available in the middle position. Huh? For finding middle position, we don't have any method. We have to write our own logic there. So you can write a loop and find the positions of each and every values. If you want, you can write a loop there. So this is the method. Index of is a predefined method. It will find the first occurrence. Index of O capital, guys, here. In the last index of I capital and O capital. These are the predefined methods. We have to write as it is, right? So if you want to find all the positions of 2, there is no other way. We have to write our own logics, guys, here. Now you can check this. I'm writing a for loop here where I equal to 0, I less than or equal to numbers dot length. I'm just going with the numbers dot length and I plus plus. Now in this point of time, we have to find, now you can see console.log numbers of I means you will get all the numbers now. Numbers of I, you are going to get all the numbers. Can you see? You got all the numbers on the screen. No, I want to find the positions of, right, positions of 2 na. So now in this point of time, I just want to write a small condition. If numbers of I equal to 2, at that position 2 is there, then print that index. We don't want to do anything. Console.log, just you can print the value I. You can see the index of the 2 is at second position, ninth position, and 11th position. So for this, we don't have any predefined method to find the specific index from an array. So we have the following scenario. So we have to write our own logics, right? So these are the some of the methods in the array. So next concept, guys, here in the arrays, we have some other methods. The methods are going to be uh, array iteration methods. What are the array iteration methods? We have to check it. Already we seen for loop, or else we can use while loop for iterating the data, but there are some predefined methods. Now tomorrow we are going to see with some complex data like array of objects. If we have array of objects, how can we iterate? So you can see for in, or you can see for off also, right? With the combination, how these things are going to be executed. There are a lot of methods are there. Map method, each method. So like this, we have so many methods are there, and sort method, every method, some method, like this we have so many methods are there. Those methods we can see tomorrow. I think if they are not completed, I mean tomorrow we can extend one more session for that methods, guys, right? Because those methods are very important for the people who is learning React and Angular. These methods play a vital role here. The array iteration methods, all these methods, I think you can just Google for them. You can find some methods, array iteration methods. Just I'm going here. Okay, you can go anywhere, no problem. So the iteration methods, now you can see for each, and you can go with some methods like a map method, filter method, reduce method, very important reduce method. Reduce, right? Reduce every, this is the every method. Some method, index of and lost index of we seen just now, right? These are the some methods. Includes, whether the specific element is included in the array or not. Okay, so these are the some methods that we can see in tomorrow's session. Keys of an array, right? Okay, so don't worry about it. Tomorrow we can see the remaining things. Yeah, carry on if you have any doubts.